This video will show how to buy shares of Harmony Gold Mining Co Ltd-ADR. I will search for how to buy shares of Harmony Gold Mining Co Ltd-ADR on the platform. Harmony Gold is a gold mining company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HMY, and this content is educational, not financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HMY to find the listing. Select the Harmony Gold Mining Co Ltd-ADR entry that shows NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct asset. On the asset page, review the basic company information in the price chart to confirm details. Make sure the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker HMY match what you expected. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order settings, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the order executes, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Soft note, check the link in the description for the eToro example used in this walkthrough.